So y'all want a tutorial on how I do the stop motion videos? I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all that my way is not the easiest way, but this is the way I know how to do it. So here we go. So first you want to start off with filming your content. You want to make sure that your body and camera maintains the same position throughout the recording. Whenever you have a new step that you completed, you're going to stay in that position for about 5 seconds to make sure the camera catches it. So for example, to create that turn illusion, I stayed in each direction of that turn for 5 seconds. Once you've gotten all your videos, your photo gallery will look something like this. I mean, it's a lot of videos, but I use the InShot app to put everything together. So I type in InShot, I go to there, I'm going to create a new video. What you're going to do is take all of those clips and put them inside the InShot app. And once it loads everything, your screen will look something like this. Now I had 5-second clips at first, but I did minimize those to 1 second because I wanted the video to go very quick. So with each clip that I got, I minimize it to 1 second. After I have all my clips, I review the video and make sure it looks the way I want it, and then I save that video. Once that video has been saved, I go back into the InShot app with the edited video, and then I make a new video where all the clips are there. I then go to the speed portion of InShot and increase that all the way up to 6. Now the speed that you're going to increase it to depends on the music that you're going to play because you want everything to sync, but this is how the video looks once it is complete. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.